ka Meghalaya Swimming Association haka sngi ding kala kitbo kirwiang ya kinoya kop jingi ka jylla kiban le yashimenta haka National Sub Junior Junior but Senior Championship kaban long ha Bengaluru bat kaban sedang nadu ka khat knai tarik hadu ka arp knai tarik mtau benai risau haka ni sngi shua ba nongïalehkai kin mi na la ka jong ka jylla ka MSA kala penlong ka jingalang ha crinoline swimming pool kum ka jing ai mensim bat kitbo kirwiang akabaw ba John F Karshiying ubari working president ka MSOA ulalong kum ukongsan harengkat kinongkit kam ka MSA bakentup yau ba Jo Marwen ubari president ba yan lengdo general secretary bat kikmikik pa jong nongïalehkai kini nongïalehkai kin mi na la ka jong ka jylla banle yashimenta haka sin ka banekong haka lempung nongïalehkai national level haka khatpra terik mtahi ubnai risau kum kada ka jingas no uktilang bat ka jing ai mensim na kalyang ka MSOA lengbau ba John Karshiying kalano senyang da kapisa ka ba 10,000 tingka
in the state, but almost all the athletes of various associations in the states of Meghalaya. So in a short notice, we would be able to gather these young swimmers from the state based on their performance in the state championship and in their performance in the Meghalaya Games. So we chose the best of the swimmers who perform in the state championship, and after the trials which we had here on the 18th of September, these boys and girls were selected for the sub-junior, junior and senior swimming competition in Bangalore. We are hopeful that after the training session from 18th of September, and which is still continuing and will be over on the 16th of this month, that our swimmers have performed incredibly well and their timings have improved by leaps and bounds. We have hope that our swimmers will bring some laurels to the state, and this is something which makes our association, Meghalaya Swimming Association, also very proud, and I hope it makes the parents too. It is a proud moment for all of us here in Meghalaya. So with these few words, I would like to again thank all the members, all the parents, all the well-wishers for sending these young boys and girls to Bangalore, and to see that we will definitely do whatever it takes to promote swimming and diving, although we don't have any divers this time. But our long-term plan is to build a very strong ecosystem, sports ecosystem. And we have here members of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association we are working together to build a strong sports ecosystem here. And we are thankful to the parents who are part of this ecosystem, because without a strong ecosystem, the sports development in the state would be would be futile. So this is a start for the National Aquatics Championship, and this is the road ahead for the National Games, which will be held in Meghalaya in a few years from now.
Mai kublai ki mihkhmat ya pi ki kena samla ki benyelek chapo ka kenika nationals. Kenika jing so sarang yang ni bang yo ala ipi ni yo kenika la ba pi pin lek chati. Dengan kentu kerpat ipi shimkia banlong ki banlong discipline. Shimkia banlong discipline. Ngala puli mentan ya ke sports policy kepala warak sarkar mentah ladu 2019 ni sapolong shushu ki awareness bat ki school bat ki college. Andrei mentang so banyetu ipi ba ngala puli mentan ki cash awards kapa mentah ke sarkar kala penbena haki lengba ke sports policy ki long ki ba ai museum ya ki mihkhmat bat ya ki samla ka ai museum ya giru kinong punya juga association kumbala khadau mentan lada pi job ya ka medal haka national pin yo ka cash award ka pisa kepala amang ya ka bronze finyo 800,000 ya ka silver finyo 10,000 bat ya ka goal kata kuma ksiar pin yo ndropo hajar ka cash award lada fi job ya ka nu penu medal ka medal hagi ni nationals ngala puli metan ki cash awards ba pila banyo ka commonwealth ka asian games bat ka olympic kumunta kamut ka jingpun banana kala sarkar kalong lada fi job bronze ha ka olympic ka cash award kalong life pulang lada fi job ya ka silver ka cash award kalong san pulang lada fi job ya ka gold medal ha ka olympics ka cash award ka balakular ka sarkar kalong nyau pusan la gideng ya kran tak sarkar kumno ba hapen ki shusho ya kan ya kenang bakan long ka jing kring ya ki samla bakin moh ki treshtom kin mina namar ka don menta ka jing menton ngala batai fi mentan bakani ka policy menta ka belapan benar ka sarkar nadu arhajar ka kendai ka kular hangni khatsan persen ka yokam yok jam lingba ka sports kota lada fi job medal ha ka nationals khatsan persen menchua ka ditang 2% ka jing bhakam ya ki khna kiba lapas ki bela job medal ikani ka way ki kemi kpa ki dibentip khatsan persen lamang ban yo ka job kota ki bu job medal 10% ka dai hakiwi ki jat kam khatsan persen ka dai haka police and home guards ki law enforcing agencies 10% ka dai hakiwi pada ki jat kam ki jat office ikani ru kalong go ai ka ba wara ka ba ai museum ba pleng ka kani ka kam kilan met ka don ka lawai kam dai ka ba ngum mo pinchulet pulut por kandon jimuntoy mata kala don ru kicing pat kre haka policy ba kan don ru ka marks hapo school na ka benta ki ba yele haki ki ba pulut por haka kam kilan met ka bomot ki school mata nang ni syakmat kin hab don ki coaches kin hab don ki physical education teachers kin hab don bun jat ki jemput kre ban ai ki marks kin hab pen kre ka curriculum ru kin hab don ka school games mata kin hab don ka inter school ka ba kham tikna ha ka jingi trailang bat ka mesu tikini kilong khandiat ki banga so ban bu ahmad choki na ai khublai biang ya baro kinong penya joka megalaya state swimming association khundra ja kitang shu ban chim ko por iba jo marwani president iba yan lingdo general secretary jingdon lang mr chiranjeev chowdhury na ga mesu ni nakaliang jongi ni shudan tang i jing ai barit i jing ai sobha iba shpojar ban kersian ya ni ka kam chopi bat na soba bo da pia ai ki bank details i general secretary in sale ko dan kam ban ai kata ka ban transfer kata ka amount